I hope you are all doing well. In the last video, we learned about the history of Python. We covered an overview of some topics. Now I'm going to explain the definition of Python. Python is an interpreted, general purpose or multi-purpose, high-level programming language with easy syntax and dynamic semantic. What does it mean? Python is an interpreted language. It means there are two types of languages, interpreted languages and other one is compiled languages. Interpreter language are those which use interpreter for translation. Compiled languages are those which use compiler for translation. Compiler and interpreter are translators. They are used to translate code written in one programming language to another programming language. This is what we need to understand. Languages like C, C++, Java, Python need translation because human being can understand these languages but computer cannot understand these languages. So that is why translation is needed. Now as you understand the meaning of interpreter. Now I am talking about general purpose or multi-purpose. We can say that Python is a general purpose or multi-purpose language. It is not specific for particular domain. As simple as we can say that Python in multiple domain. For example, we can use Python in web development. We can use Python in robotics to create intelligence for robots. It is also used in artificial intelligence nowadays. I hope it is clear to you about general purpose or multi-purpose language. Now I am talking about high-level programming language. High-level programming language, human can easily understand these languages without any problem. Or low-level languages are those only machine can understand. Now we can say that Python is high-level programming language. But with easy syntax, what does it mean? It means that Python has very easy syntax. If we compare it with other programming language like C, C++, Java. For example, here I am giving you two examples. Which one code is written in C language and another code is written in Python language. When we write a code in C language, we declare the variable like this: integer x equal to 10, integer type y equal to 20. It means, what does it mean? It means x is integer type variable which hold 10 value, y is integer type variable, it hold 20 value. But when we write a code in Python programming language, we write like this: x equal to 10, y equal to 20. There is no need to type data type. It is very easy syntax. Or there is no need to add semicolon after every statement. So we can say that Python is very easy syntax. Let's talk about dynamic semantics. Let's try to understand the meaning of dynamic semantics. That are Python objects are very dynamic in nature. It means when we declare the variable in Python x equal to 10, y equal to 20, it means we know it doesn't need to specify any data type. It can store integer value as well as it can store fractional part value. If I am talking about C code. When we write the code like this, x is an integer type variable which holds 10 value, it means it store only integer type value. The rest of the part will be truncated if you are trying to see. Now it is very clear that it is very dynamic in nature. It is completely fine because variables are Python in dynamic. I hope this complete definition is clear to you. Thanks.